The project is going incredibly well. I have an amazing team. So almost every paver is laid down in the site, and then the next step would be filling in the spaces between the pavers with a polymeric sand. Maybe I'm surprised by how seamless the process has been. For example, the installation of the illuminated pavers. I thought that for sure that would take a little more troubleshooting, but the payback team is they're just really good troubleshooters, and they sorted things out, got a system down, and I'm amazed at how quickly they were able to lay down these pavers.